Just got these two boxes. Let's check them out. This one I had already opened because I thought it was for somebody else, but it was for me. It's a light, a 5000K 13 watts light. These are to go inside, I guess. They're pretty big. You see, to connect them outside, the power, pretty nice. There's the other ones inside here. I'll put that to right there. Now let's try to get this one open with one hand. Nope, I can't do it. Let's try again. Okay, there you go. It's a light, another light. It's a 2-in-1 ceiling fan made in China, apparently. Carries 2 types of batteries. It's for camping. Look at 3 LEDs. Here's the fan. I can't try it right now because I don't have any batteries, but I'll try. Post a video after it's done. Until next time.